In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use tags and categories within a blog on Squarespace. This is a great way to keep your blog organized, making it easier for your readers to find content that interests them, and it can also help boost your SEO, making your blog more visible online. First, let's start by opening up Squarespace. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be working with today. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in your homepage on Squarespace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including the different websites you might be working on. Now, from the profile menu, you'll need to select the specific website you want to work on today. Once you've selected your site, navigate to the Pages section and click on your blog page. This is usually where all your blog posts are held and is the primary place we'll be making updates today. Here's a quick pointer to ensure smooth navigation. Once you're on your blog page, look for the three dots located right beside the blog title. This is your access point for further settings. Go ahead and click on these three dots, then select Settings from the menu that appears. This is your gateway to customizing your blog's finer details. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Click on Options and you'll find a section labeled Tags. Adding tags to your blog posts is quite simple. You just input your desired tag and after each one, press the comma key on your keyboard. This step essentially separates each tag, ensuring they're distinct when readers are looking through your content. Feel free to add as many tags that are relevant to your post. Remember, tags are like keywords. They help categorize your content into searchable topics, so make sure they're directly related to your post's theme and subject matter. Once you've added your tags, let's switch gears to categories. Click back and then click on Categories. Categories are broader than tags and help organize your blog into different sections. Think of categories as the chapters of a book, whereas tags are more like the index terms. Enter the categories you'd like to use to organize your blog effectively. This can really help readers navigate through your blog, especially if you have a lot of content. After you've completed entering your tags and categories, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click Save, and all your hard work will be locked in. And there you have it. You've now set up tags and categories for your Squarespace blog. This organizational structure not only enhances your blog's aesthetics and navigation, but also adds value for your readers by delivering content in a user-friendly manner.